It's giving such a vibe. I love it already. Wow, what is this pigment? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm a professional makeup artist based in Dubai. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and click on that bell icon so that you never miss an update from me. Today's video is going to be all about the new palette by Huda Beauty. If you're coming from Instagram, so you must be knowing this. I love Huda Beauty. I cannot talk about enough about this brand because I don't know. I don't know. Whatever she claims, it comes out to be so true that I eventually end up liking or loving the product. Without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Let's just open it and see what the magic is all about. Guys, isn't this a gorgeous palette? Just look at it. First of all, it's Huda's, and second of all, sadly, as I have heard that this is the last big palette of Huda Beauty, so I had to buy this. Let's create some amazing looks with this. Today, you're just going to see one, but I'm sure you're going to see plenty of it in near future. I just like this palette so much. I don't want to dip my brush in it. And I have to, but I have to show it to you. So I have to dip my brush in it. I just love this gorgeous shade. Just see right here. Yeah. This is such a beautiful glitter. Just see this. Oh, love it, love it, love it. All right, so I'll tell you what I'm using. Right now I'm taking highlight and placing it on the center of my lid. It's pigmented. It's pigmented, guys. Huda is always on point with everything she creates. The only reason I love the brand is because I know that whatever she claims, it's always fulfilled. So yeah, that's one of the major reasons to love the brand. As I always do, warm tones and neutrals. Today, let's try the cool tones. So I think I would like to go in with grays. Let's see how the gray eyeshadow looks. Because maybe it's my second or third time trying a gray eyeshadow. Let's see. I'm gonna take a flat blending brush by Morphe again, M433. The colors that I chose are highlights and poised. Looks gorgeous already. It's giving such a vibe. I love it already. Now I'm gonna go in with She Rich. She is rich. Just tapping it on the outer corner of my eye. Taking a big fluffy blending brush. This is M441 by Morphe. Just using everything Morphe today. I love Morphe brushes. Now I'm going to go in with One Self. That's a light tone of grey, a light shade of grey. It's again in the family of grey, but very light. Just smoking it all out with this shade. I just love when the blending is on point. So just making sure that that happens. Again, I'm going to go in with She Rich and intensify the outer corner because I think there is a little drama missing. So let's go ahead and intensify the shade. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it already. I love it. I love the pigment. I love how the color is going so smooth on my eye. I love this. I'll just put a white here. Let's see what happens if I put a white here. Just placing white. White is pigmented, guys. I was not expecting so much pigment out of white because generally white goes a little... White miss out on the pigment, but then this is hell pigmented. Love it. Love it. I love the look. I love the eyeshadow. It's a 10 on 10. I'm already passing it. Although there are some minor fallouts, but then it's okay. It's okay. I love what Huda is serving. I love it. All right, guys. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous color. I love how the blending is happening. Just look at it. Zoom a little bit. This is looking so gorgeous. Okay, let me swatch all the glitters for you first. All the foiled because I love glitters. So firstly, I'm going to take Wavy S. This is a foiled glitter. Looks like gold, but I'm sure there's some pink in it also. So let's see. See. It looks like a little bit of, I don't know. It's giving that metallic gold vibes. It's not gold, it's not rose gold, but when it's going in and out of light, it's throwing different holographic shades. Let me just show you how is this happening. Like you can see that this is gold, but when it's going in and out of light, It's looking like something else. Then next up we have Diamond Dew. Wow. Just look at it. Let me just swatch it right here. Wow. Wow, what is this pigment? This is so gorgeous. Let's go ahead with press glitter. I don't know what is this. It feels like glitter, but let's see. Let's go ahead and swatch this. So it's like a proper glitter. It's a little, it's not as smooth as the previous two pigments, but then it is a press glitter, so it feels like glitter. You are going to feel that glitter thingy in your hand. This glitter right here can be a little task if you're blending it out. So I like it, but not as much as I like them. Now let's get in the video back. Now I'm gonna go in and put Diamond Dew on my eyelid. So I've taken it on my finger. Let me just put it slightly. Alright, so I'm gonna quickly do my other eye off camera and come back right up. Guys, I've done my other eye, but somehow I just changed my mind. I thought let me show you the other foil eyeshadow. And right now I have VVS on my finger. I'm completely in glitter right now and I love it. So let's go ahead. I think this one looks more pretty, suits more with this eye look. And this one looks really prominent. Now it's up to you which foil eyeshadow you like. This one is quite subtle comparatively to this one. This one is really chatak. This one is giving a real holographic vibe because this has blended so well with the eyeshadow that it's looking so pretty. Now as I am completely covered in glitter, let me just do my blush and lipstick and everything and I'll be back again. Guys, here is the complete look. I did my lashes behind the camera. I used Huda Beauty One Coat Wow Mascara. I did a little bit of iced out eyeshadow from the palette in my inner corner. I hope you liked today's video. I hope you like the look I created with, and definitely I'm going to create more looks for my upcoming videos. I love the sparkles. I love how smooth they are. There is a little bit of fallout of the sparkles, but then it's okay. I can manage it. If you liked today's video, give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!